in the 1988 Asian Games. She holds the distinction of the meet record. Participated in 2 Olympics in 4x400 meter relay. And national record stands the name of into Luca.
Well, that was the start of the 800 meter women final.
The participants have just started, and clean start we got there. Purva Maraju is there, and also is Harmilan Benz. And here on they will run in the single lane. And here we go. Purva Maraju is setting the pace. Harmilan Benz is currently upgrading herself for the second spot, and giving the other athletes space as well. There was some infringement there. Chanda is behind and currently running at the fag part of the race where she does not deserve to be. Here we have it. Harmilan Benz is at the first position there. The Sri Lanka athlete is also stretching her limits there. And from the outside you can see that putting Harmilan Benz in some sorts of pressure is Shalu Chaudhary of Delhi. Shalu Chaudhary is at the second position, Purva at the third, Harmilan Benz at the first position there. As they are going to hear the bell, Chanda is now upgrading herself to the third position there and move from the outside. It's going to be a close and sensational finish. Shalu Chaudhary is there at the third position. The two Delhi athletes are running at the second and third position there, and but is still maintaining the edge, maintaining the lead is the athlete of Punjab. Doing very well there is Harmilan Benz. Harmilan Benz, she is leading since the beginning of the race, and Purva Maraju, a very recognizable name, is now at the fifth position. The Sri Lankan athlete is currently running at not the position where she is, but Harmilan Benz is still maintaining the edge. 200 meters to go. Still is Harmilan Benz at the first position there. Shalu Chaudhary the second, and Chanda the third. Who is going to win that contest? It's going to be a close finish. It's going to be a close finish. Now Harmilan Benz is getting more speed there and making move from the outside is Chanda. Chanda knows the urgencies as they are moving towards the home straight, and Chanda is now at the second position, and Harmilan Benz under all sorts of pressure. It's 80 meters to go, everything to go for. Chanda putting a lot of pressure there, and she is in the top gear, Chanda, and now you can see that the battle has now been shifted to these two athletes. Harmilan Benz trying so hard to retain her first position there, and Harmilan Benz is going to get the first position in that tight contest. And what a race and what a finish by the girl from Punjab. And Shalu Chaudhary tried so hard for her third position, but maybe she could not achieve that because of the pressure that came from behind from the athlete of Sri Lanka, Nimali. But second position went to Chanda of Delhi as well. That's what I can show you off. And Chanda tried so hard from behind to catch the pace and the rhythm of the Punjab athlete there. Here you can see that all the athletes are in their respective lanes, and you can see that Harmilan Benz in lane number 4. And once they all merge, it was Harmilan Benz who got the lead after about 200 meters, setting up the early pace. For all the other athlete was the athlete of Karnataka, Purva Maraju. Here they all are, and now they are merging. And Purva Maraju, the tallest among them all, is at the first position there, but Harmilan Benz is and here you can see that Harmilan Benz is turning from shoulder to Purva Maraju, and 500 meters to go. And this was the moment when he came for the first time at the front of the pack. And Chanda, at this point of time, you can see that she was running at the fourth position there, who later on finished the race as the runner-up. And Purva Maraju is now currently running at the fourth position at this point of time. Sri Lankan athlete making a move from the outside. Nimali still maintaining the edge over the rest of the field is Harmilan Benz. Shalu Chaudhary of Delhi is also doing very well and giving some speed and breathing space to her partner Chanda at the third spot there. She is acting as a buffer and also putting the leader under all sorts of pressure. These three athletes are opening up a bracket for themselves from the rest of the pack, running at a good speed there. Chanda at the third position and Shalu Chaudhary the second, and Harmilan Benz, you can easily notice that fluently she is moving towards the point. And here you can see that the move was made by Chanda because 80 meters to go, and Chanda looking quite promising there in her speed. And at this point of time we were thinking that she is going to surge ahead of Harmilan Benz, but Harmilan Benz was looking so determined and so confident at her position. Chanda putting all the energies and all the mental power that she has in her legs and pulling all the muscles of her body to get the first position there. But Harmilan Benz have some other ideas in her mind and got the first spot in that tight close finish. can follow all the latest updates related to Indian athletics on indianathletics.in, and follow us on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, and share your experience with us on our YouTube channel on which you are seeing this telecast live. Please like it, share it, and subscribe it, and tell us more about yourself, and connect to us on the comment section of the YouTube. We reached 30,000 followers on the Instagram, have touched a milestone. So congratulations to all of us. And here we have the final results of the contest that just finished, in which you can see that Harmilan Bains and Chanda of Punjab and Delhi respectively got the first two positions, and Shalu Chaudhary of Delhi finished just outside the medal bracket, and Nimali of Sri Lanka got the third position.